Today, 17th of January 2025, is the 10th anniversary of the Great Hanshin Awaji Earthquake that devastated Kobe City in Japan. The impact on lives and livelihoods was immense. So many lives were lost, thousands of people died in that event. There was massive impact on infrastructure, including on port infrastructure, on highways, critical services, water supply, gas supply, electricity, sanitation services were badly affected. It was an event which shaped the global discourse on disaster risk reduction in many ways. Kobe City rebound from the earthquake in a remarkable way. The kind of recovery that Kobe City carried out became a new benchmark for post-disaster recovery, not just in Japan, but globally. I want to highlight three specific things that Kobe did remarkably well. Number one, in the aftermath of the earthquake, rather than rushing into reconstruction, they carefully reorganized their land use plan so that it was sensitive to the risks that the Kobe city was exposed to. The second thing that it did was it provided transitional housing to people who were affected by disaster so that the long-term housing could be done in a more systematic, deliberate way with strict enforcement of building codes so that it's safer to future disasters. And the third thing is that the way it recovered infrastructure, for example, port infrastructure, I have personally seen how the port sector recovery happened in Kobe earthquake. It is really remarkable in terms of how you build back better. Long before the term build back better became fashionable across the world, Kobe actually implemented it. And not just that, 10 years after the earthquake, Kobe City hosted the second World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction, which led to adoption of Hyogo Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction, and 10 years further down into Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction. It's really a very inspiring story as to how you can turn a disaster into an opportunity to raise awareness of the risk that the world faces and really mobilize not just local, but global commitment for disaster risk reduction. It is really wonderful that Japan has generously and openly shared its experience and used its own experience to guide resilience building efforts, not just at home, but globally.